Hello kiddos, this is Yamuna. I'll be helping you with Sanskrit topics for grade 7 CBSE and grade 8 also. Welcome to my channel Information Nest. So, as always, everyone says education is the most powerful weapon. Use it wisely. With that note, I'll be proceeding to the first chapter in grade 7 Sanskrit Bhāratavarṣa chapter. Pratamaha Pataha Bhāratavarṣa. First, I'll read paragraph by paragraph. After that, for each and every word, I will give you the meanings. Then summary. It goes like that. Let's start with first paragraph. Asmakam Deshaha Bhāratavarṣah. अस्य भूभागाः रमणीयाः सन्ति यथा अत्र कुत्रचित् पर्वतशृङ्खलाः सन्ति कुत्रचित् समतलभूमिः दृष्टिपथम् आयाति कुत्रचित् पर्वतेभ्यः सरिताः प्रवहन्ति क्वचित् च विस्तृतमरुस्थलम् अस्ति अस्मिन् देशे सर्वे ऋतवः क्रमेण आगच्छन्ति ते च वसन्तः ग्रीष्मः वर्षा शरत् हेमन्तः शिशिरः च Let's go for word by word meaning. Asmakam, our, Deshaha, country, Bhāratavarṣah, India, Asya, of this, Bhūbhagaha, regions or lands, Ramaniyaha, beautiful or pleasant, Santi, are, Yata, just as, Atra, here, Kutrachit, somewhere or in some places, Parvata Shringalaha, mountain ranges, Samatala Bhumihi, flat land, Drushtipatam, line of sight, Ayati, comes, Parvatebhyaha, from the mountains, Saritaha, rivers, Pravahanti, flow, Kvachit, somewhere, Cha, and the wide or extensive, Marusthalam, desert, Asti, is, Asmin, in this, Deshe, country, Sarve, all, Ritavaha, seasons, Kramena, in order, Agachanti, come, Te, they, Vasantaha, spring, Grishmaha, summer, Varsha, rainy season or monsoon, Sharad, autumn, Hemantaha, pre-winter, Shishiraha, winter. This is a summary of that first paragraph. Introduction. Our country is India. Its regions are beautiful with mountain ranges in some places and flat lands in others. The line of sight extends flat and rivers flow down from the mountains in certain areas. There is also a vast desert in this land. In this country, all seasons arrive in order or sequentially: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter, and winter, each bringing its own unique beauty. Second paragraph. Bharate sarvatra vividata asti. Yata. Atra vividaha bhashaha, vividaha sampradayaha, vividam bhojanam, vividaha veshabhushaha cha santi. Param anekatayam api ekatayaha sumaduradhara pravahati. Vayam sarve bhashabhashinaha एकं राष्ट्रध्वजं नमामः एकं च राष्ट्रगानं गायामः अपि च राष्ट्रीय उत्सवान् सामाजिक उत्सवान् च मिलित्वा मानयामः. For the second paragraph. Bharate in India, Sarvatra, everywhere, Vividata, diversity, Vividaha, various or different, Bhashaha, languages, Sampradayaha, traditions, Vividam, varied or different, Bhojanam, food, Veshabhushaha, attires or dresses, Param, however or yet. Anekatayam, in diversity, api, even or also, ekatayaha, unity, sumadura, sweet or harmonious, dhara, stream, pravahati, flows, vayam, we, sarve, all, ekam, one, Rashtradvajam, national flag. Namamaha, salute or bow. Rashtraganam, national anthem. Gayamaha, sing. Rashtriya, national. Utsavanu, festivals. Samajika, social. Militva, together. Manayama, celebrate or honor. Here is the summary for paragraph 2. India is a land of diversity where various languages, traditions, cuisines, and attires coexist harmoniously. Despite this diversity, there is a sweet stream of unity that flows through the nation. People from different linguistic backgrounds salute the same national flag and sing the same national anthem with pride. Moreover, citizens come together to celebrate national and social festivals, fostering a sense of togetherness and shared identity. Third paragraph. Bharatasya pradeshanam sarva samskaranam janani eka samskrita bhasha eva asti. प्रायः जनाः उत्सवेषु धार्मिककार्येषु च संस्कृतभाषायां समानरूपेण मन्त्रोच्चारणं कुर्वन्ति भारतस्य अनेकासां भाषाणां जननी संस्कृतभाषा एव अस्ति अत्र न कोऽपि सन्देहः भारतीयसंस्कृतिः संस्कृते निहिता अस्ति अस्माकं भारतीयसंस्कृतेः मूलमन्त्रः सर्वजनहिताय सर्वजनसुखाय अस्ति. Paragraph 3. Word by word meanings. Bharatasya, of India. Pradeshanam, of the regions. Samskaranam, of traditions. Janani, mother. Eka, one. Samskrita, Sanskrit. Bhasha, language. Eva, only. Asti, is. Prayaha, most or general. Janaha, people. Utsavesu, during festivals. Dharmika, religious. Karyeshu, ceremonies. Samana Rupena, in the same manner. Mantrocharanam, chant mantras. Kurvanti, to do. Bharatasya, India's. Anekasham, many. Bhashanam, languages. Kopi, question. Nihita, embedded. Sandehaha, doubt. Mulamantraha, core mantra. Sarvajana Hanahitaya, for the welfare of all people. Sarvajana Sukhaya, for the happiness of all people. Let's see the translation for paragraph 3. Sanskrit is the mother of traditions across all regions of India. It is the foundational language of India. Generally, people chant mantras uniformly in Sanskrit during festivals and religious ceremonies. Sanskrit is the mother of many languages in India and there is no doubt about this fact. Indian culture is deeply rooted in Sanskrit. Our core mantra is Indian culture for the welfare of all people, for the happiness of all people. This passage highlights the significance of Sanskrit as a unifying cultural and linguistic foundation of India. It beautifully expresses the shared traditions and values upheld across different regions. The moral that we are learning from this particular chapter is Uktam cha sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santu niramayaha sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kasyit dugga bhag bhavet. Anvayah sarve sukhinah bhavantu sarve niramayaha santu sarve bhadrani pashyantu kasyit dugga bhag bhavet. Duggabha Bhavet. The prose suggests that this beautiful Sanskrit verse is a universal prayer for well-being. May all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see auspiciousness, may no one suffer. This verse embodies the essence of compassion and collective harmony, reflecting the core values of Indian philosophy, wishing for the happiness, health, and prosperity of all beings. It's a profound sentiment that resonates across cultures. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any doubts, reach out to my website and send me your questions. I'll be happy to clear them for you. Your support means a lot. So let's learn and grow together. A river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Jim Watkins. Thank you once again, children. Thank you so much.